Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing something special, a simple and mindful practice to attract financial opportunities and abundance into your life. Think of this as a fun and intentional way to manifest prosperity using tools and positive energy. Manifestation is all around us these days, and this is just another creative way to focus your intentions. So grab your tools, settle into a quiet space, and let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this spell: a small green candle, which symbolizes prosperity and wealth. A small dish of coins or just a single coin. Cinnamon powder to boost success and energy. A bay leaf for good fortune. A small piece of paper and a pen to write your intention. Matches or a lighter. And of course, you'll want a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. The best time to do this practice is during a waxing moon, when the moon is growing, symbolizing increase and growth. Thursdays are also great because they're associated with Jupiter, the planet of abundance. If you can, try performing this spell in the morning to align with new beginnings. Okay, let's begin. Start by setting the scene. Cleanse your space however it feels right for you. You can burn some incense, light sage, or just imagine your space filled with light and positivity. Step 1. Prepare the candle. Take your green candle and carve a money-related symbol into it. It could be a dollar sign, your initials, or anything that represents abundance to you. Then, rub a little cinnamon on the candle to charge it with your intention. Step 2. Write your intention. On your piece of paper, write a clear and positive intention. For example, I attract financial opportunities with ease and gratitude. Keep it short and meaningful. Step 3. Create the focus. Place the candle in the center of your workspace. Arrange the bay leaf, coins, and your written intention around it. Step 4. Light the candle. As you light the candle, focus on your intention. Visualize money flowing into your life effortlessly and feel gratitude as if it's already happening. Step 5. Say the chant. Repeat this chant 3 times, feeling the words with every fiber of your being. Money flows, abundance grows, I attract wealth, and it always shows. With harm to none, and good for all, let prosperity answer my call. Step 6. Seal the spell. Sprinkle a little cinnamon around the base of the candle. Then, hold the bay leaf and visualize your intention as you say, "This is my wish, this is my will, may it be so." Step 7. Let the candle burn out on its own. Allow the candle to burn completely, or if you need to put it out, snuff it respectfully and relight it until it's used up. After the spell, now that the practice is complete, stay open to opportunities and trust the universe to work its magic. Carry a coin from the dish as a charm or a reminder of your intention. It's important to release your focus on the spell once it's done. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't dig it up to see if it's growing. Trust that the universe has received your intention and will bring opportunities to you in the right time. The more you relax and let go, the better the energy flows. And remember, gratitude is key. Thank the universe for the blessings, both seen and unseen. I hope you enjoyed this simple money manifestation and found it as magical as I did. If you try it, let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more enchanting content. Until next time, may abundance and blessings flow your way. Bye for now.